structure of that patent, provisional patent structure and a complete patent structure. So complete patent structure we have already shared with you. A detailed 3 videos are there, how to read a patent. In that we have dealt with the how to read a patent, that whole different parts of a patent, starting from the title, field of invention, then the figures is there, a background is there, summary of the invention is there. Then after that the detailed description is there. After detailed description, in that you can add a best method of working, or the different compositions. If you have suggested, you can just share that thing. All data which is required for the patent, you can share it in a detailed description. Then you have, after that, the claim part is there, abstract part is there. Then the first page, obviously, the bibliographic information is there with the number of claims, drawings. The standard structure of a complete specification is there. What about a provisional?
And we have provided reading material also.
Yeah, in the reading material you have seen the standard format of the complete specification. So you have with that particular thing. Now what is the difference between, what is that differs it, means that in provisional thing what is not there? The first thing is that claim part is never in the provisional patent application. Second thing is that it is not expected you to write this format, means patent complete specification format is there.